Hey, what's up customers, viewers, and subscribers? Josh Mall with Swimming Pool Science, and today we've got a cleaner that's down and we've got to work on it. So what I want to do is show you the procedure that we do when we pull a cleaner out of a pool and take it in to service it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to close the valve at the pump to make sure that we don't have any more suction from the wall at the cleaner. Once we've done that, we're going to disconnect here at the wall. It's plugged into your skimmer. Just go ahead and disconnect it there. Now, one of the most important things that you do that I see way too much of, it's very important to make sure this hose is laid out straight. If you don't lay it out straight and you coil it up like you would an extension cord or a garden hose, what's going to happen is the sun's going to bake it into whatever that shape is. When you go to put it back in the pool, it's going to be like a coiled up spring and get that cleaner tangled up and not let that cleaner get around the pool. One good option so that the hose isn't laying lengthwise down the whole deck where people can trip on it is you just take it apart length by length and lay it out in the shade right here. Kind of protect it from the sun while it's not being used. And if you're laying it in a place where it's going to get dirt all over it, make sure you wash it off and hose it down before you put it back in the pool. Now that I have my cleaner and my hoses are all put away where no one's going to trip on them and they're not going to get all curvy and damaged, I'm going to take this cleaner in, I'm going to write a name of the customer on the bottom, and then I'm going to hand it off to my ace, Anthony, who handles all of our cleaner repairs. He's going to take this in, assess it, give an estimate. If it's just a basic tune-up, we're going to go ahead and do it, put it right back in the pool. But if there's anything major or it's just going to be cheaper to replace the cleaner, that's when I'm going to call the customer and we're going to talk about what our options are next. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.